Happy Tuesday evening, everyone. So, guys, I have here mangoes, yes, with the simplest the chocolate sausawan. The sauce. Yes, tuyo lang siya, guys, kasi wala kaming bagoong, kaya yan. So, by the way, guys, I'm here in Kim's farm, yes, with ano siyang adobong manok, guys, kaya ayan. I enjoy the night with this sa mangoes kasi nga, syempre masarap talaga ang mangga pag hilaw. O, di ba? So, ano na, guys? Are you also fond of eating mangoes with silver soy sauce? Chares! Ay, Diyos kimayo. For the contents purposes, kaya I need to take videos because it's required. It's one of the requirement in my what you call this weekly task. So just saying, guys. I don't know if others also what you call this doing the task. Yung mga ano dyan, nag-reels, pero nag-enjoy lang ako, guys. Meanwhile, so, baka gusto nyo, guys, tikman yung mangga. Mangga nga siya, kalabaw. Mm-mm. Yes. So, ayan. Malapit na rin matapos yung aking guys. Yung aking video for tonight. Yung entry. So, thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed Tuesday evening, everyone. Thank you, thank you.